Hi guys! Today is November 12, 2013. It is Tuesday. Tuesday na agad! My God! But it's a sunny day today! I'm on my way to work. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung kailangan kong dalhin. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a while. Mommy LJ! Hi! Hey guys! Okay, so I'm actually at work now. I wasn't able to vlog earlier. So yeah! Awesome news! I have Instagram now. Teka, ayusin natin. Ang hirap kasi parang naka-crouch down ako eh. Yeah. I have Instagram now. So if you guys want to check out what I'm doing, like little updates of my day, like especially outfit of the day. Gagawa akong outfit of the day palagi doon. Oh my God. Kasi I don't really do OOTDs on my vlog channel or my beauty channel. So maybe I'm gonna do OOTDs on my Instagram. So better follow me on Instagram and like. I love it. So yeah. So right now I'm having red velvet crinkles from Naomi Fabric Shop. If you guys want to order, they're still ongoing. Pero I think their next stock of red velvet crinkles is this December na. So if you guys want to buy this awesome piece of work, which is super sarap. I tell you, ang sarap-sarap niya. You can go to Facebook, just type Naomi Fab Shop on Facebook. You'll add them na lang instead of Facebook page. And they actually post a lot. Yung owner kasi ng Naomi Fab Shop, sinasabi niya ako na siya na try to have Instagram kasi it's easier to get more audience on Instagram. Especially pag food. A lot of people I know that have Instagram, they follow people that take pictures of their food. I don't know. Respect nila yun eh. Wala akong magagawa dun eh. So yeah. So right now, I don't have any classes yet. Ang next class ko ay 1 hour from now. So nga muna ako. Yun eh. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a while kasi mag-aayos muna ako ng station and maglilikot muna ako sa office. Hey guys! It's about 4:34 in the afternoon here at work and I just did my makeup for today. So I'll show you my makeup for today. So, tada! The mahiwagang pink bag. I have Garnier Baby Eye Roll On. Nabuhay siya ulit. This is the A1 Ideal Oil Control Pressed Powder in Neutral. So, yeah, nabuhay siya ulit, if you can see. I've hit pan, so binabalikan ko siya. And then, my blush for today is Jane B Pure Mineral Blush, and this is in Outspoken Pink, na hindi naman lumalabas sa skin ko for some reason. Ayan siya, oh. Napaka-light niya na pink. Para siyang pastel pink. So, it could pass off as a highlighter. At kung may salamin to sa ilalim, ba't ayaw mong tumaas? Ay, mali. Dito ba sa ilalim? Ayan. So, hindi siya masyadong lumalabas sa skin ko. For some reason. Tapos, my lipstick is A1 Shine Attract Lipstick in Passionate Red. Inuubos ko kasi to. Sobrang, tingnan mo naman, diba? Inuubos ko siya. Pinupush ko siyang ubusin. This month of November, I'm gonna be sporting red a whole lot. And then, for my lashes, it's the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Tapos, wala na, yun lang. Yun lang. I actually bought new products from Etude House. Kasi my coach, na-mention ko siya yesterday on my vlog, my coach actually sold, or my coach, basta coach siya dito sa company namin, she's selling some Etude House products. So, I got the Code B Strong Eyes Cream Liner, which I have right now. And this is in 80 Strong Black. Hindi ko alam yung Korean ng Strong Black sa Korean. Basta yan siya. So, basically, this is a cream eyeliner with intense color and smooth texture, adheres to supply waterproof definition, and it has eye expression. Adobo. Ayan siya. And then, I have the Attitude Liquid Foundation, which is not available here in the Philippines. Alam ko hindi siya available sa Philippines. This is what it looks like. And I believe this is water-based. Ayan o, nakalagay sa likod. Water in base makeup. Water in base. So, water-based. Koreans have the weirdest translations ever. But, they mean well. Koreans mean well. And quick outfit of the day! I'm wearing black leggings, my topsiders, my blue topsiders, and the Shining Star shirt that Michigo gave me. Do you see that? Do you see that? I only have 5 classes left. So freaking weird. I know, right? Only had 1 absentee for today. Not sure yet if I'm gonna have more than 1. But I'm praying in my lucky stars I don't have, you know, a lot of absentees. And then I only have 2 classes for 8 o'clock. Sitting pretty na ako ngayon. I'm so happy today. Tuesday is a great day. Tomorrow is gonna be hell day. No. I don't like why do you don't like winter? Yes, do you like winter? Oh, okay. Do you have winter vacation? Why snow teacher? What do you mean? Oh, you are a ski teacher. No, I actually don't. Oh, okay, now I know. So that's oh, you work there. Wow. So on winter time you have a lot of work. Am I right? Can you say that again? Hakinis? Oh, fitness. Oh. Are you planning to enter the army soon? Oh, so how old will you register for army, for military? 25? Oh, so how old are you again, Kevin? Okay, it's not 22, it's 22. Taraso, 22. No, 20. 22. Okay. When you say 20, you're actually just exaggerating the teens, okay? Well, your age actually is close to my age. Teacher is 24. Yeah, I'm 20. Teacher is 24. Only 24. Wait. If someone else is listening? I know Facebook. Oh no, I will not give Facebook ID. Because it's not allowed. I don't know too. In our office, we cannot give Facebook ID. Yeah. Do you have Instagram? You know Instagram. You don't know Instagram? Twitter. Yeah, you have Twitter. Oh, you don't have Twitter. Yes, I know KakaoTalk. Yeah. I don't have KakaoTalk. What do we do? Yes, Philippines is in Manila is in the Philippines. Leaving? Oh, I live. Yes, teacher lives in the Philippines. I live in Manila. Yes, I live in Manila. guys. Okay, I'm done for today. I'm done. I don't have classes. I don't have reports. And the conversation you saw earlier is me with my student Kevin. And he's trying, I'm not sure if he's trying to flirt with me or stuff. But he's like, oh, you know this? I'm like, yeah. He's nice. Kevin's nice. And he was asking for my Facebook, which is not allowed at work. So weird. Okay. So I'm gonna eat. Ngayon pa ako kakain. Well, I did eat earlier, but I wasn't able to show you guys what I ate. You can check my Instagram though. You can see the food I ate there. Food porn. So yeah, so I'll have to cut this vlog because I'm gonna eat. Wait lang, may keme sa station ko eh. May jupipis. Die, you stupid jupipis. Die, you jupipis. Die. Ay, Day. Matay ka na, Day. Ano ba yan, Day? Hindi ka ba namatay, Day? My God. Yung totoo, Day. I'm mamatay. Okay, I'm going crazy. I'll talk to you guys in a while. Ay, no ba? Anong ginagawa mo't nagmamodel ka dyan? Video to.
Gusto ako ni Teacher Liz kanina. Sayang, paparas ka ng damit.
Nina?
Teacher Liz kanina.
Kanina?
We have the same damit.
Ay, gusto ko yung print.
Thank you so much. Hindi ba pwedeng ako lang?
Bakit? Puro
Di ba
lang
pwede
ikaw?
ako lang?
Puro ikaw?
Ano naman, narcissistic lang.
Ganyan yung mga taga-
Mana ako sa'yo eh.
Wala ako sinabing narcissistic ako.
Oh my God, nagbibideo ka pala.
Self-centered lang.
Self-centered. Parang ginifine mo lang yung narcissistic. Hi!
Mrs. Nova.
And this is my superior of being narcissistic. There you go.
Wala ako sinabi. Ay, o nga pala guys, if you want to order yung mga products na pinakita ko yung Etod products, ito po yung taong involved. Ano yung Viber mo para kontakin ka nila?
1-to-1.
Wala yung Viber
Ano yung
yan.
Viber? Hindi ko alam yung Viber.
Ano ba?
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ID o...
Aldi.
ID ko. Ano ID ko?
Para ano, kasi may nagtatanong sa akin.
Hindi. Ay, ganun. Ako, hindi pa yung for ano. Hindi man.
Basta pag meron, sabi mo sa akin. Ayan,
Sige, ayun.
ito po yung iba nilang buyers. Lalo na tong babaeng to. Binili niya yung BB cream na Hello Kitty. Pakita mo. This is D, by the way. Follow her on Instagram. Ano ba yung Instagram mo?
Oh, certified.
Wow. Siya po kasi yung idol ko sa selfie. Hindi niya mag-selfie. Ano yung tingin ng BB cream? Nakita ko lang sa Instagram eh.
Okay.
Dala mo ba?
Yeah, I have somewhere.
Somewhere out there. Laki kasi ng bag ko. Black hole.
Oo nga eh. Tingnan mo, puro siya ano.
Puro siya Hello Kitty.
I know. Here.
Hello. She has the limited edition Hello Kitty BB cream from Etod House. At gusto ko nito. Here. Thank you. Yan. So, I'm about to go home.
Wow, documentary to.
This is a video vlog. So, yeah, uwi na ako.
As in, video vlog. Nakakaya naman sa... Ayoko sa...
So, SPGDDDD. Ayun. So, we're gonna go home. As you can see, mahaba yung pila doon. But may tea. Hi. So, I'm gonna go home now. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.